Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python for Data Analysis course. In this video, we will explore Google Colab, a free and powerful tool for Python programming in the cloud. So let's get started. Here is what we will cover today. What Google Colab is, its benefit, how to set it up, and running your first Python script in it. The main question arises when we have other environment also, why do we use Google Colab? First, it requires no installation. Everything runs in your browser. It is free to use with your Google account and it offers access to GPUs and TPUs for faster computations. Plus, it's great for collaboration. To get started, go to colab.research.google.com. Log in with your Google account and click on New Notebook to begin. That's it. You are ready to code now. Now you can explore the interface. The menu bar lets you save, edit, and share your work. Use code cells to write Python code and text cells to add heading or notes. Under runtime option, you can even switch between CPU, GPU, or TPU for processing. Now you can run your first Python script in it. In a code cell, type print hello from Google Colab and click the play button or press shift plus enter. The output appears just below the cell. Easy, right? Now that we know the basics, let's switch to my screen for a demo on setting up Google Colab and using it. Now open your browser and go to colab.research.google.com. I will log in with my Google account. Here is the Colab interface. I will click on the new notebook to create a blank notebook for coding. So here is the menu where we can save, rename or also upload from our local system or Google Drive or GitHub. Here in the insert section we can see the code cell and text cell which we can use to write code or some heading or paragraphs. In the runtime section, we can change our runtime type. We can select here between Python 3 and R also. We can change our hardware accelerator to CPU and GPU and also TPU. These all are available for free. So now let's write our first Python script. I will write print hello from Google Colab. When I press this play button, my code will get executed and we can see hello from Google Colab, which means our Google Colab is working fine. We can also execute our code by pressing shift plus enter. The shift plus enter will add another line to our Google Colab notebook. We can also press control plus enter, which will execute our code but will not add a separate line to our Google Colab notebook. So in the next video, we will understand the keywords in Python. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends who need to learn Python. Thank you and Jai Hind.